Once in a quiet mountain village, there lived a boy named Taro. Taro was known for his endless curiosity. He always asked questions no one else dared to ask, about life, happiness, and the meaning of it all. One morning, he heard whispers of a hermit monk who lived deep within the forest. They said this monk held the wisdom of ages. Without hesitation, Taro set off on a journey to find him. After a long trek, he finally discovered a simple wooden hut by a stream, where the monk sat peacefully sipping tea. With excitement in his eyes, Taro bowed and asked, "Wise one, please tell me, how can I find peace and clarity in life?" The monk smiled gently and said, "If you walk with patience, you may find it in 10 years. Taro was startled. 10 years? What if I give it everything I have? What if I train day and night without rest? The monk looked at the boy and replied, "Then it may take you 20. Confused, Taro frowned. "How can working harder make it take longer?" The monk placed his cup down and spoke softly, "When your eyes are fixed only on the destination, you stumble on the path." Taro sat silently, absorbing the words. Suddenly, the world around him felt different, slower, calmer, richer. The monk pointed to a small tree nearby. Climbing that tree is like finding peace, he said. If you keep staring at the fruit on top, you'll miss the branches beneath your feet. But if you notice each branch, each leaf, each step, one day, you'll look up and realize, you've already reached the top.